In this problem, we are asked to do a function composition. So we are asked to find f of g. So what this means is we have to take function g and plug it into function f in terms of x. So we're going to take function f, and wherever there's an x, we're going to plug in function g, which is x plus 4. So wherever there's an x, we take the x out and plug in g. And now we're going to go ahead and simplify this. So we cannot, remember, we've learned we cannot distribute that. That is wrong because of the plus sign. So we have to figure out what x plus 4 times x plus 4 is. Here we're going to distribute, and this is not 3, it's negative 3, so negative 3x minus 12. So let's go ahead and FOIL this. And now that we've FOILed, we're going to go ahead and combine like terms. So we have a positive 8x and a negative 3x, that makes 5x. And then we have 16 and negative 12, that makes 4, positive 4. And then we have the x squared. So we get our final answer. And this represents what f of g of x equals. Alright, in problem 5, we're asked to do another function composition. So this time it's g of f, and it's g of f of 2. So what that means is we have to plug in function f for g. We could do that first, or what we could do is we can plug in a 2 for f. So instead of the x's here, we're going to plug in a 2. Solve this out. And then we're going to take this answer and we're going to plug it in for g. So we're going to find g of negative 2. We're going to plug in a negative 2 for the x. And negative 2 plus 4 is 2. So we have found that g of f of 2 is equal to 2.